Alright, so here once again, where you know what's in the package due to the video description, but I am not 100% sure. I have a feeling that it is SCYTHE, but let's find it. In the mail, we're waiting for this. This is in fact SCYTHE, with the packing paper of just brown paper. Collector's edition. Oh, it's very light. So that's all that came in the box for packing, was a brown piece of paper. SCYTHE is nice and glossy on the top. Collector's edition. The thing weighs a freaking ton. My God. Is it because I just woke up? What? Maybe I'm just getting weak in my old age. Let's see what you get in this. Or more importantly, let's see what Kickstarter gold that one purchased with this. Because it was so long ago, how is anyone to remember? It's even numbered right on the front. That's kind of neat. 1 to 5 players. Anticipated for 2016. Well, look at this. All sorts of fun stuff. Wooden pieces for 5 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Black, red, white, yellow, blue, and then meeples and the stars. I guess you have to have a certain number of stars on the table to end the game. I haven't really read the rules too many. So many games. Then down the side here, they have nice little containers. I've seen these already in some of the videos. Where you get to not only store your stuff, but during the game you can flip it over and just have it on the table, and it holds them very nicely just on the side of the table. And they have nice little locking things, so when you open your box they won't be all over the place. I have to get up for this because this is actually crazy interesting looking. Look at these things. Little pots of gold, all painted. There's a whole bag of those. And then this wood looks pretty amazing as well, like little logs of wood. You even have like a little thing come off. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. Oh, no wonder this thing weighs a ton, because these are the pieces of lead. And they're actually made out of metal. So yeah, these are not wood, these are actually pieces of metal. But they're all still all detailed. That's pretty neat. Hope the camera picks that up, because they're pretty awesome. These are the cans of oil. Detailed on the top. Just the backing for the dials. Some clips for cards. Another sealed bag. I don't like sealed bags. It takes too much time to open them. But, oh, these are all sealed individually. That's annoying. Unboxing format is no edits. All real time. Look at that. Hope the camera picks up the green tint of these. Oh, that is awesome. Those are the ones. And there's a set of 5s. Set of 3s. Don't really know the story behind these, but these look like they're from a Kickstarter, a separate Kickstarter. Maybe they just included them in the game. They teamed up or something. Because do more research for your Kickstarters. This one was, I was going to do a good idea where I researched the red panda and then gave you random red panda facts during the unboxing. Those are the 10s. And last but not least, there are some 20s here. Just showing each of these because, man, they're nice and detailed. They're metal. And we have 20s. Alright, on to some other stuff. I'm not going to open the cards, but I'm sure everyone's already seen the art. Oh, and look at that glare. I'm sure you get a full view of what that is, but I'm sorry about that. Nothing I can do. More cards. Rondell markers. I think it's for how much power you're going to do in a battle. Don't quote me on this stuff, guys. I'm sorry. Oh, one of those cool circle bikes. Turn it the right way. Try to get rid of some of the glare. And then the figures. It's like, oh, I love games that do this now. They give you like Ziploc bags inside the box. Even though I have a million, it's still nice because usually theirs are the right size. I won't say what I was going to say about these things. So I was going to actually eat them then. So, these, oh, I've seen these already, right? I don't know if the camera will pick it up. Maybe if I get on the right angle. These are actually countersunk, so your markers are going to fit right inside the board. Yeah, I'm not going to get some out to show you, but anyway. So there's a set of these for every player, and then there's a set of... So on the sideboard you'll have one of each. Rule books. What's the difference between these? Quick reference setup, components. More cards. Euphoria, just all the other games that they've designed. Then the hundreds of counters. The money that we're not going to need now. Little quick ref cards, structure bonus tiles. Then the board, which I'll put out in a moment. That will be the only edit because I've got to clear all this stuff out of the way. Little packing thing. Now just a very quick look at the figures. All comes with the hero and their pet. There's White. Giant water buffalo.
It's not a water buffalo, it's a Yakasui.
Yellow marker. Black one. Giant wolf. Nice pointed hat. What is giant cat? Then I'll show you quickly a mech of each color. It's awesome that they're all different. A quadruped for black. And not to be outdone, 6 legs for blue. Three and a wheel for yellow. And 2 bipeds, white. The old adage, when in doubt, add more guns. Last, red, which I think is my favorite that I've seen already. These giant blades at the front. Nice big box style. Alright, I'll do a quick cut. I'll clean this up and I'll show you the 2 different boards that come with it. So there's the board. That's the standard board. If you're from the colonies. But if you have the room, you turn this board over and add this, and then you get this board, which is giant. Alright, so that's Scythe. Looking forward to playing this. The models are amazing. Love wooden pieces. Love all the unique character models. Coins, you saw all the economic tokens. Amazing. Let's hope the game lives up to it. We shall see. Check out the Dice Tower for a review. I'm sure I'll put one up. Till next time, my name is Mike Walker, and this is To The Point. Peace!